Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the bitwise operators. Last video we have seen about the bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise XOR operators. And in this video we are going to see about the rest of the bitwise operators. There are bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Bitwise left shift is denoted by the simple less than symbol, double less than symbol. It's used to denote the bitwise left shift. Okay, I am going to perform the bitwise left shift operation between some integers. I am taking 12 left shift 2. Okay, it gives an value 48, but we don't know how the interpreter has calculated the how the interpreter has performed the operation, and it gives an result as 48. Let's see this in this video. Let's see this how the interpreter has performed it. Okay friends, I am taking the binary representation. Okay, 12 left shift 2. Okay, that means you have to shift the element second position to the left side. Okay, have to shift the elements to the left side to the second position. I'll show you how the operation will perform. Okay, binary representation of the 12. Eight 4. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 0. This is a binary representation of the 12. Okay, then our question is 12 left shift 2. That means we have to shift the elements to the second position to the left side. Okay, so how we can perform it? We should transfer the shift the elements in this here, this place, the first position the 0 is present. When we want to shift the elements to the fourth position, okay, that means this is the first one and this is the second one. So the 0 will be shifted to fourth position and this 2 will be shifted to 8th position and this 1 will be shifted into the next position. What is that? The 16 will come here. Okay, 16. So in 4th, 8 and 16, and this one will go move to, and this one will move to the next position is 32. Okay, got it friends? So finally this one will be shifted into this fourth position. I'll write down here also. 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. This one will be shifted into the second, fourth position. So the 0 will come into the 0 will move into the fourth position. Okay. So zero will come here. Okay. Then the next one is this 0. This 0 will move into the 8th position. The 4th position is first and the second position, 8th position is second. So first and second. So the 0 has moved into the left side of the second position. Okay. So now first position, second one. So the left side of the second position. So the 0 will move into the 8th position. The 0 also move here. Then this 1 will be moved here, 16th position, the 16th position. Okay. Sixteenth position, this one will be come here. So that one will be shifted in 16th position. Then the next one is the next one. Okay, this next one will be moved into the 32nd position. So that one will come here. Okay, now the representation is 32 plus 16. 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. Okay, this is the required output. By this way, and the remaining also 0, that's why I didn't take this. Okay, even if you are taking the 0, it will produces the same result, so it will display the same result. To avoid the confusion, better I will take this. Okay, 32 plus 16 equal to 48. So we got this result. Got it? By this way, the interpreter has performed this operation. I will take the one more also. 9, left shift 4. Okay, gives the answer 144. Okay, by this like this operation, also the interpreter has also performed this left shift operation and it has displayed the value 144. Okay, and the next one is right shift. Right shift is denoted by greater than, double greater than symbol. It's also shift the element to the particular position to the right side. Okay, I want to take the element 20, right shift 2. Okay, that means it shifts the element to the second position to the right side. The above cases, the element has shifted into the left side, and in this case the element should be shifted into the right side. Okay, let's see this. First see what's the output will come. 5. We got the output 5. Let's see how the operation will be performed. 20, right shift 2. Okay, first we want to take the binary representation of the 20. So for 20 have to start with 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, eight, 4, 2, 1. So for 20, binary representation 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? It's here 1. Okay, 16 plus 4 equal to 20. Okay, 20 right shift 2. That means we have to shift the each and every elements to the right side second position. Okay, this 0 will be shifted into right side second position, and this 0 will be shifted into right side second position. Okay, this is the first position, this one is the first position, and this next one is second position. So the 0 will be moved there, and this 1 will be moved. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, this first position is second one. So this 1 will be come here, and this 0, the 0 is for the 0, this is the first position and this is the second position. So the 0 will be moved into the second position. Okay, so the second position, the 0 will come. Then this 16, for the 16, the 8 is the first position and the 4 is the second position. So the 1 will come at the fourth position, and the remaining this values, even if the value, if the first position element contains the 1, it will move to the right side. So we can't take the value for that element. Okay, so we should care about the 1, not 1. That means 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, for the first position, the 1 has come. One. And the second position, the 0 has come, and the fourth position, the 1 has come. Okay, finally the output is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 5. So we got the output 5 here. Okay, then I'll do the one more also. 35 shift 3. Okay, 35 right shift 3. So it gave the answer 4. Okay friends, bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift both are finished. That's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. it's too complicated to understand, but if we are performing the, if we do the examples again and again, it will be more useful, it will be more understandable. Okay, if you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.